Hey, you. Do you want more time? More money? Less stress? More energy? Want to look and feel like the best possible version of you? What if you could change the future just by putting your money where your mouth is? The fact is, everyone eats every day. So break the 9-to-5 grind and build true residual wealth. Become a brand partner and plug and play. Save time, make money, help yourself while helping others. Just follow the trends. Amazon just bought Whole Foods because everyone buys online. True sovereignty is time and location freedom. What you want, where you want, when you want, and with who you want. So what are you waiting for? Let's put your phone to work. Time is the one thing we can't get back, so why not spend it on what matters most and build a future for tomorrow today.